Okay, so in this video, we're going to be taking a look at a technique that we're going to use called synthetic division, and then we're going to go through an example of how we use synthetic division to help us graph polynomials. So, use synthetic division to divide the following polynomials. So, you can see I have two polynomials. We have x cubed plus 12x plus 16, and then we have the polynomial, which is a linear one, x plus 4. What we're going to do is we're going to take our first polynomial. So our first polynomial is called the dividend. And the second polynomial is called the divisor. So we're going to take the dividend, which is x cubed plus 12x plus 16, and we're just going to write the coefficients of that. So when I look at the x cubed term, what's the coefficient in front of that? There is a 1 here, right? Then I need to put the coefficient on the x squared term. Well, there isn't an x squared term, so we're going to use a coefficient of 0. Then I'm going to put the coefficient in front of the x term, which is 12, and then I'm going to put my constant term at the end, which is 16. And now I'm going to erase those terms above, but you can see how we got those numbers right there, where the coefficients in front. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a box right here, and then we're going to take our divisor, and I'm going to say, what is the 0 associated with x plus 4? Well, how you find the 0 associated with x plus 4 is you set it equal to 0, and we find that we get a 0 of -4. So we're actually going to put a -4 in the box here. Now we're going to leave some space, and we're going to draw a line. Now the process of synthetic division is we are going to bring our first number down, then we're going to multiply 1 times 4. So I'm going to bring the 1 down, and then we're going to multiply -4 times 1, which gives us -4. So we multiplied -4 times 1, which gave us -4, and now we're going to add. What is 0 plus -4? It is -4. Now I'm going to multiply -4 times -4. -4 times -4 is positive 16. Positive 16 plus 12 is 28. And now I'm going to multiply 28 times -4. Finally, I'm going to do 28 times -4, which gives me -112. 16 plus -112 is -96. Okay, this right here we are going to call our remainder. So what does this mean about the factor x plus 4? Well, one thing we know is the case is if your remainder is 0, x plus 4 is a factor of this polynomial right here. Meaning that x plus 4 is contained within that, and we're going to see that in our next example. But if your remainder is not 0, if it's anything else, x plus 4 is not a factor of that polynomial. And that's the case that we have right now, is we know that x plus 4 is not a factor of x cubed plus 12x plus 16.